आज क्या पक रहा है?
आज बेटा हम बना रहे हैं कढ़ाई चिकन पन्ने.
Hi, I love myself some chicken karahi. But did you notice the oil she was using? Did you know that Pakistan was rated #1 in the world for diabetes? Yeah. So here is a tip. If you have that oil in your house, that fake oil that is created by man, throw it out. If you put it in the fridge and it doesn't solidify, if you put real olive oil in the fridge, it will get like butter, creamy. That's real fat. So you always want to cook with coconut oil, butter, or ghee. That is for high heat. Get rid of that oil. It is causing inflammation in your cells. Then your cells won't take in glucose. And when that happens, insulin resistance, diabetes, the whole shebang. And if it's too expensive, you can look into mustard seed oil. Not the #1 choice, but a lot better than that stuff.